Did you know that soil preparation stands as one of the most crucial steps in successful vegetable gardening? Yes, indeed. It's the foundation upon which the bounty of your garden thrives. This process, often overlooked, can make or break your yield and the overall health of your plants. So what exactly does soil preparation entail? Well, it's a systematic process, a journey, if you will, of turning raw, untouched soil into a nutrient-rich, plant-friendly environment. It's like preparing a 5-star meal for your plants. Firstly, it's important to understand the nature of your soil. It's not just dirt, it's a living, breathing entity, teeming with microorganisms and nutrients. The type of soil you have plays a significant role in how you'd go about preparing it. There are 3 main types: sandy, loamy, and clay. Each has its own characteristics and needs. Now let's dive into the steps of soil preparation. Step 1 involves clearing the garden area. Remove any weeds, rocks, and debris that might be lying around. This step ensures a clean slate, a blank canvas onto which you'll paint your gardening masterpiece. The second step is soil testing. It's not as complex as it sounds. You can either use a home testing kit or send a sample to a soil testing lab. This will give you a clear picture of the soil's pH level and nutrient content. Knowing this information will guide your soil amendment process. Step 3 is all about improving the soil structure and fertility. This is where organic matter comes into play. Compost, well-rotted manure, or leaf mold can do wonders for your soil, enriching it with essential nutrients and improving its texture and water retention capabilities. Step 4 involves turning the soil. This might sound like heavy work, but it's necessary. Turning the soil helps to mix in the organic matter and aerate the soil. It also helps to break up any hard, compacted areas, allowing plant roots to penetrate more easily. The 5th and final step is letting the soil rest. Yes, you heard it right. After all the hard work, the soil needs some time to absorb the added nutrients and settle down. This resting period can range from a few weeks to a few months, depending on the time of year and the condition of the soil. In summary, soil preparation is a critical step in vegetable gardening. It involves understanding your soil type, clearing the garden area, testing the soil, improving its structure and fertility with organic matter, turning the soil, and finally letting it rest. Remember, the secret to a bountiful harvest lies beneath your feet. It's not just about the seeds you sow, but also about the soil in which you sow them. So, give your soil the care and attention it deserves, and it will reward you with a healthy, flourishing garden.